Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be creating a mani using two colors here from Polished Pixie Dips. The first color here, it's a beautiful fine glitter. It is called Burning Embers, and it color shifts between orange, pink, purple, and maroon, and it's super pretty, and I really like this glitter paired with Rose Glow, and this is a solid glow dip powder. It's very pretty. It is more of a darker mauve indoors and then a slightly lighter mauve outdoors, and it's very pretty and paired perfectly with Burning Embers. I think it's very pretty because Burning Embers has that mauve pink glitter in it, so it really pulls out Rose Glow, and it's very pretty together. So I'm going to go ahead and do the gel method for today's mani, and then after we do the filing and buffing, we're going to do some glitter accent nails. Yes, after filing and buffing. You'll see that here in a minute, so I'll go ahead and let you watch this mani process, and I'll pop back in when we start the glitter accent nail. Alright, now that we're done filing and buffing, there's a couple options. You could leave the mani as is and go in with your favorite gel top coat, or you could go in with a matte finish. I think this mani would look gorgeous with the matte finish as well. Or you can jazz it up like we're going to do today with some glitter accent nails. So we are going to start with the thumb first. I'm going to go ahead and place the gel base coat over the entire nail. And then we're going to go ahead and dip it into Burning Embers in the cupcake liner. Now when you are doing this, you just want to make sure you're being extra careful and taking your time. So right now I'm gently putting just the tip and the edge of that nail, kind of hugging it into the cupcake liner just to get some of that glitter on the edge of the nail and kind of making it into like a little half circle. And it's gonna look really pretty. It looks like a hot mess right now, but once you like pat it down and clean up the cuticle area and the sidewalls, it's gonna look really pretty. You'll see here at the end. It's just really easy for me to achieve a glitter accent nail like this instead of color blocking, because color blocking for me is really, I feel like, hard. I've had a couple bad experiences, so I kind of like threw in the towel with color blocking. So I feel like this way works for me. It's not color blocking, but it's kind of like the vibe of color blocking. It works for me, and I really, really like it, and it's super easy to achieve. Okay, so for the pinky, we're going to do a little bit different. We are going to gently place both sides of the nail into the glitter, making a V shape, and check it out. It is super pretty, and it worked perfectly. Now, if you're not happy with how it came out before curing it, you can definitely wipe it off with a lint-free wipe. After we go ahead and cure that, I am going to go ahead with a alcohol lint-free wipe and just remove that sticky tackiness and any loose glitters that may still be on the nail, so we have a nice clean finish. And then after that, you just go in with your normal favorite top coats. And that's as simple as that. That's how I like to do my glitter accents. Sometimes I'll go ahead and use some detailing brushes as well. If I want to do any fine like detail glitter work, I'll do some of that coming up on my channel as well. But I really like the way that I kind of do the glitter accent nail. Now again, when you're doing manis at home, it's freely up to you on how you want to do it. There is really no right or wrong way. It's whatever makes things super easy for you and whatever makes you happy with your end result with your mani, because it's all about creativity. So if you have a way that you like to do glitter accent nails, let me know in the description box below. So we are just finishing up this mani, and I just wanted to talk about a couple other things coming up on my channel. So starting October 1st through October 13th, I'm going to be doing a 13 days of Halloween manis, and all it's going to be, it's each day we're going to do a different fun Halloween mani. Now there's going to be some spooky ones, some scary ones, and some basic Halloween color manis. So nothing too crazy, but just something to get us in that Halloween mood. And I really like Halloween, and I love everything about it. I love the colors, I love the fall season, and just something about Halloween. Probably because my birthday is in October. It is on the 13th, on the final day of the series. So that's probably why I really like Halloween. But I'm really excited to share this new series with you, and I have a lot of amazing brands and new products to share with you. So I'm really excited. And plus, during this series, it will give you time, if you have your eye on any of the items in the Halloween manis, you can recreate them yourselves, and you'll still get them in time before that Halloween season. So I really like how this mani turned out. I think you can do this mani several different ways: matte finish, glossy finish, glitter accent nails. It's super pretty. These powders applied like a dream. They're super buttery, and the glitters are super fine and pigmented. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!